morning, I am Anjali Singh and you are watching News Flash. Delhi will enforce scrap stage 4 measures today onwards as air quality deteriorates to severe plus. Schools will hold online classes for all except class 10 and 12. And workplaces in NCR are advised to operate at 50% capacity. During a historic visit to Abuja, Nigeria awarded PM Modi the Grand Commander of the Order of the Niger, its second highest honor. The visit strengthened bilateral ties between the two nations. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the Indian diaspora in Nigeria, highlighting strong bilateral ties. He was accompanied by External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, NSA Ajit Doval, and other top officials during the historic visit. Actor Kasturi Shankar was arrested in Hyderabad after controversial comments about the Telugu-speaking community in Tamil Nadu. She allegedly claimed they came as assistant to the king's consort and later adopted a Tamil identity, sparking protest and legal actions from a Telugu association. Chinese President Xi Jinping met Joe Biden at APEC, advocating for peaceful coexistence and cooperation. She emphasized resolving global challenges without resorting to decoupling or supply chain disruption. Union Home Minister Amit Shah postponed political rallies to address escalating tensions in Manipur. A high-level meeting will be held today to strategize solution for the region's security crisis. PM Modi praised the Sabarmati Report, a film on 2002 Godhra train tragedy, calling it a win over false narratives. Modi said, "Truth is coming out," lauding the film's effort to showcase facts. Prajwal Sethi, son of Congress leader Devi Prasad Shetty, was arrested for a hit and run in Udupi that killed a man. CCTV showed the SUV hitting a two-wheeler before fleeing. He was granted bail shortly after his arrest. A fire caused by short circuit killed 11 newborns in Jhansi's Maharani Lakshmibai Medical College. Investigators ruled out criminal negligence, noting that sprinklers were absent in the neonatal ward. At COP29 in Baku, India rebuked developed nations for delaying support for climate actions in developing countries, emphasizing the need for financial and technological aid to address global emissions. The Supreme Court criticized Delhi's failure to implement solid waste management rules 2016 and directed the Chief Secretary to convene a meeting with stakeholders to address worsening garbage crisis. Joe Biden became the first US president to visit the Amazon, highlighting its critical role in fighting climate change. The visit to Manaus, Brazil, comes amid deforestation concerns and shifting US policies under the incoming administration. Delhi Minister Kailash Gehlot resigned, citing embarrassing controversies and the Kejriwal government's failure to deliver on promises. Gehlot, a cabinet member since 2015, announced his decision on X, expressing disappointment over unfulfilled commitments to citizens. The resignation is a blow to AAP as Gehlot hinted at joining the BJP ahead of Delhi elections. The NPP withdrew support from the BJP-led Manipur government amid fresh violence. However, with 37 MLAs, the BJP retained its majority in the 60-member assembly. McDonald's is investing $100 million to recover from an E. coli outbreak linked to Quarter Pounders, which killed one person and sickened over 100. The item was pulled from 20% of its US stores. So that's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.